What's up guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make an automatic glass sliding door in Minecraft. So first of all what you're going to need to do is dig down 2 blocks and 2 blocks deep. It's going to be a 2 by 3 a trench, and then we're just going to make it elongated from its sides like this. Then we're just going to fill it with redstone dust, and on the sides we're just going to destroy 1 block each side. Then we're gonna put a redstone torch on both sides like this. We're gonna cover the redstone torch with a block like this. And then what we need to do is also put redstone dust on top of the blocks. Now I'm just gonna cover all this up, and to do that I'm just gonna do it like this. And then you're just gonna put your pistons on both sides like this. Okay, and then you're just gonna attach your glass to the sticky pistons. And lastly, you need to put your stone pressure plates, or you can use any type of pressure plates. There you go, guys. We have an automatic glass sliding door. So let's see as it works. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. That's pretty much for this video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.